Hi everyone! So I just wanted to pop in here real quick to let you all know that there are 4 new special limited edition Schmincke sets, and they're like retro sets, so they kind of like look vintage, I guess. So let me go through the sets real quick for you. So the first one here is the retro set of 5 milliliter tubes. There's 6 colors, and you get like the 6 half pans on top and the 6 tubes on the bottom there. I think it's a pretty cute set. Oh, and of course, I'll have all the links of the products in the description box below. Anyway, next is this set of 8 half pans in the bijou box. It's like similar to the whiskey palette without the whiskey part, or like, the water reservoir part. So it's like basically the 8 half pan foam palette, FOME. You even get the Schmincke logo on the side there. And then this third set is a half pan set of 12 colors. The logo on the front of the tin is similar but slightly different. And then there's this last set of a luxury wooden box set of 18 colors and I guess an extra cochineal red color. I'm not sure what this looks like as there's no image that I could see right now, but that's available for you as well. Oh, and one last thing. Apparently, they brought back the random gray that was made in 2022 for watercolors. It was sold as 15 milliliters back in 2022. And then, of course, it was limited edition for that year only. Somehow, they're back with 5 milliliter tubes. So if it's something that, you missed out on and you wish you got it, well, here's your other chance. All right, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get the information out there in case anyone wanted to buy some more Christmas presents before Christmas comes. All right. As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.